Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on POCO M7 Plus. Alright, so all you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner. Now click on the settings. Now scroll down, click on the chats, scroll down, then the chat backup. And now let's discuss a few important things that we got right in here. So let's begin with the Google account, which is right in here. And we have that Google account that is currently selected. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your chats in the future, you'll need to be logged in into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. It is really, really important. Of course, you can add another one when you click Add Account. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's a backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's really comfortable and convenient feature because I don't need to remember about making a backup. You can pick between one of those modes. It's completely up to you. Below we have option to include the videos in our backup. I also like to this feature to be turned on because defaultly it's off. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on in here, basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But if you forget your password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So create a password that you will remember, but it's not necessary. Alright. Now let's go back, and now all we need to do is to tap on this green button, backup. Also make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. Okay, now the process has started. It won't take long in my case because I don't have that many messages. Alright, that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. We can take a look that under the last backup we have the same hour, which is right now. And also we can see the size of our backup. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.